My name is John Ubalde. I'm from Southern California, and this is my submission for the Hot Wheel Legends Tour. This is my 1993 Mazda RX7. This has been a 2-year build, and the purpose of this build is to be a daily cruiser with all the amenities to be comfortable to do it. So right now in the exterior, it's running a Avery Dennison Roaring Thunder wrap, and under this wrap is a cherry red metallic paint. And we're going for the Japanese 99 spec look with 99 spec bumper and 99 spec rear. And we're running a Group A 89 carbon fiber hood. A Group A feed wide body fenders from front both and rear. 99 spec rear spoiler with an Adula carbon fiber center. Shine Auto feed extensions so on the sides. Leg Sport front canards. Leg Sport rear deflectors, both in also carbon fiber. My front lip is actually a Mazda Speed carbon fiber lip. And my rear diffuser is a carbon fiber RE Amenia rear diffuser with side vortex generators and center splitter. My exhaust is a Reinhardt titanium dual cannonball exhaust. And the wheels on the car we're using today are Ray's TE37 RTs. And they are 18 by 11 inches wide. They are currently wrapped with BFG Goodrich Sport Comp 2 tires. The engine actually is interesting. It's running an aluminum 5.7 LS1 from a 2002 Corvette. This engine was built and tuned by Hinson SuperCars in Alabama. It's currently having 450 horsepower to the wheels and running a Patriot 706 head. It's ported and polished with titanium retainers, a 2-inch intake valves, and a 1.5-inch exhaust valves. Also running a Patriot Cam, makes it a type of cam for everyday use. Running a Cobra 8.8 differential, so this car was meant to be a cruiser and everyday use with AC and power steering.